Today, Lucy wants to make a video. She wants to tell you about her. Tell them, what do you got there? What is that?
Activity jar.
Activity jar. What's in an activity jar?
Got lots of activities.
When would you use the activity jar?
Usually when I'm bored.
You use it when you're bored?
Yeah.
You don't see anything. So, show us what you do. What would you do with it? Just show us.
First, I like to shake it.
Shake it. Ask somebody. Shake it, and then what? And then you pull out an activity.
And then
What do we get?
Draw.
Draw! That's a favorite activity. What else is in there? Shake it up, shake it up.
Wait.
Oh, wait, awesome. What's that one? Oh, that's draw. What's this one? Dance. Can I show? Dance. She wrote all these cards. Make a story. That's a great one. So we have an activity jar for like regular day-to-day stuff, like go to the zoo.
We also have another jar to like go places.
To go places. What are some of the? Keep reading here.
Palm animals.
Palm animals. Oh, palm, like the palms. Pom
I've
animals.
been wanting them for a while.
We should make some. We have another jar that has like the zoo outings and stuff like that in it. So whenever we don't know what to do for the day, we just consult the jar.
Play a game.
Lucy decided to make a jar that's all stuff that we can do at home. So this is what she does now when she's bored, right, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to say hi too?
Yeah.
All right, come on over.
Okay. I think I'm gonna make another video.
You can make another video.
Myself about this country.
About yourself and this
about
country.
your family.
And about your family. That sounds like a great video.
Go outside.
Go outside. This is a great option.
Yep.
So that's what our video is today.
Let's take
How?
Let's take a picture.
What to do when
I want
they
to
say
take a
I'm
picture
bored.
of us.
Huh? You want to take a picture of us?
Yeah.
Okay, let's picture. Here, quick. Cheese.
I got that one
Cheese.
from
Cheese.
Easter.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Hold up your jar, Lucy. Let's take another picture.
Mm-hmm.
Play. What's that one say?
Let me take a
Play with
picture.
that. Okay, hold up your jar, Lucy. We'll take a picture.
I gotta take a picture. I gotta take
We'll
a
take a
picture.
picture. You want to take a picture? All right.
Yeah, I gotta
All right,
take
guys.
a
Is that anything you want to say about your
I'm
jar?
taking the picture, you guys. Yeah. I'm taking the picture, you guys.
What else do you want to say about your jar?
Take a picture. Oh,
Yeah, you like to do activities.
I want
All right.
to take a
Activities. Bye,
take a
everyone.
picture.